Hi, I'm Neil Gomes. I'm the Chief Digital Officer and Executive Vice President at Thomas Jefferson University and Jefferson Health System. What I got out of it was mostly the conversations with people in a very intimate kind of setting. The roundtables were great for that. We got to tell our own story a little bit as well as learn from others. So it wasn't just a one-way street kind of. And then with the sessions, I think we learned a lot, especially from the panel. And also from the presentations that people did. I like those too.
The overall quality of all the sessions is really what is the big takeaway. Each session is filled with such amazing thought leaders and industry titans that we're in the room together, and the creativity and the ideas going back and forth. I kind of feel like you can solve any problem if you get enough of us in that room together for a long enough period of time. It's been really, really invigorating, really, really energetic and interesting, to say the least.
Yeah, I think the Millennium Alliance did a fantastic job with, especially with getting us here. The entire production itself, you take it pretty seriously in terms of branding and the way that you organize things, always on time, and also I think you take care of the entire journey and you do that really well.
Millennium Alliance team has been fabulous. Super smooth, really helpful. Any questions I had were answered quickly, promptly. The whole trip and the entire conference has been pretty seamless. Really couldn't have gone much easier.
What I like about this conference is the intimacy. We have different folks from the pharmaceutical industry, from the insurance industry, from the provider networks, which include both primary care and academic medical centers. They're all here together, exchanging ideas, talking about what roadblocks are out there and how they can overcome them. I think it's a great place to come.
I like the format, so I like the ability to kind of get through things pretty quickly, develop some relationships. A lot of times when you go to conferences, this big, massive group of people, and it limits the interaction and the ability to ask questions.
The quality of the attendees is just fascinating to sort of be around the table with C-level executives and having discussions about problems that I've been facing in my own organization and seeing how they handle it.
Been terrific because it's been a small group, so I feel like I've actually had the chance to meet a lot of colleagues from around the country. It's great to hear that other people are facing some of the same issues that we face at Children's of Wisconsin. Also good to hear some of the solutions that people are coming up with. I've been impressed by the attendees and the presenters.
Take a step back and rise a couple levels and really think about your work from an industry perspective and how you want to solve it and learn from other peers that are facing pretty much the same problems. This will be great for you. And I think it's important for all of us to sort of take that step back and reflect.